Nadex offers a platform for trading binary options and spreads, where traders predict the outcome of an event or market movement. Here's how to use Nadex for binary options trading. Open an account. Visit the Nadex website and click Open Account. Provide your personal details, financial information, and complete the verification process to create your account. Fund your account. Once your account is created, deposit funds using methods like bank transfers, wire or ACH. Ensure you fund your account with sufficient capital for trading. Browse available binary options. After logging in, browse the available markets for binary options. Nadex offers various assets, including forex, stock indices, commodities, and economic events. Each binary option will have a predetermined expiration time. Analyze markets. Use charting tools and technical analysis to make informed decisions. Binary options on Nadex are based on whether an asset will be above or below a specified price level at expiration. Place a trade. Choose the binary option you want to trade. Select the strike price, set the amount you wish to risk, and click buy or sell based on your prediction. Monitor and close. Monitor the trade and close it early if needed to lock in profits or limit losses. When the option expires, you will either win or lose based on the outcome. Withdraw funds. After successful trades, you can withdraw your profits via your chosen payment method.